Good morning, everybody. My name is Ian Faricelli. I'm from the beautiful island of Puerto Rico, and I hope you're having a great day. Today, we're going to be working in my car. So, yeah. By the way, this clip that you're watching at the beginning of the video is actually done at the end of the video, if that makes sense. Like, right now, this is the fourth day of this video. I've been 4 days doing this video. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, make sure to go down below, hit that like button, and subscribe to just keep up with everything we're gonna be doing in this channel. So what am I going to do to my car? Today, what I'm going to be doing is just, oh, hi Coco. I'm going to be changing the colors on my rims. I am going to plastic dip my rims once again. So right now the setup is like a type of bluish. You can see it right there. It's supposed to be blue, but it turned out like a little purple. I don't know. It's just too blue for me. So I'm going to strip off plastic dip. I'm going to clean the rim up and going to repaint the rims black. So yeah, that's about it for today. Stay tuned. Sorry if there's like a lot of noises and things outside. We are currently in quarantine, so I'm not able to leave my house at any moment. So everybody is in their house, so they're doing stuff and whatnot. So if you hear noises or cars passing by, or my door squeaking, so if you hear a lot of noises, I'm very sorry. So we have both jack stands in the car already. I just started this side just to see how difficult it will be to get this plastic off. So I can't pull on them too rough, just because if I pull on them just too rough in like spots very tight like this one, I'm just I'm gonna lose it. It's gonna be really, I get to do more of an effort to get all the plastic off. So yeah, I'm just gonna take the wheel off, take the other wheel off, and yeah, just start this project. I hope I can finish it in maybe 2 hours, 3 hours tops. I hope. Yeah, we finished already getting the tires out the car. I'm gonna start just peeling the rest of this plastic dip and start with this one. I took off the Kia emblems of the middle right here just to have room, and when I paint it, it gets everything under rim, and I don't want to paint this either. So yeah, I'm gonna start ripping them off, and I'll talk to you when I finish. So we're finally finishing right now, and it has been kinda exhausting just tearing it apart and trying to get to all these little spaces, like right here, right there, right there. It's pretty annoying. Let's keep working. So guys, I just finished up tearing, just getting every single piece of the plastic of the wheels. So yeah, right now I'm just gonna pick this up, put them right here, wash them, and prep them to, paint them. So yeah, I just want to take advantage of this moment and try and explain what type of content you're gonna see in my channel. First of all, we're going to be doing work in my car. Second of all, I'm gonna try and do a lot of DIY things in my house, like building shelves, and I'm trying to get my house pretty nice. So it's not my house, it's my mom's house, so I want to fix it for her. I've been trying to do that for about 2 years. But yeah, a little story here in the video. I don't want to bore you too much with it, but I just want to tell you that my channel overall is just to encourage people to fight their fears and just push every second and follow their dreams, because that is what's life is about. Life is about being happy. Life is about making your dreams come true, and you can't make your dreams come true if you don't start. So I've been for about 2 years at least, watching a lot of content in cars and a lot of other content, learning how to really make good videos, and learning just how to work with cameras and editing videos and all those type of things, because I really don't know anything about this. My only experience is on customer service. For the last 3 years I have worked in the same place, and I'm kind of tired of working there, and I want to change my life. So this is me just giving big steps, and looking and just making a pretty big vision of what I want in life. So yeah, I don't want to be the biggest channel of YouTube, or just be famous or whatever. I just want to show everybody that you can do anything you want. You just have to work hard, grind your ass off, and life is going to pay you with a lot of things. I've been with this car for about 2 years too, and it's been like my goal to record and make content with this bad boy right here, but I haven't really found the courage to really do it. So I found it already. So if you're still watching this video up until this moment, I want you to go down to the comment section and comment grind, and just to let me know that you are still watching the video up until the end. So when you're plasticing your wheel, you want to do a couple of layers. You know, do a couple of hands painting the wheels because you want a thick layer of plastic in the wheel, just because when you want to get rid of them like I did today, it's pretty easy to get off. So you want to do a couple of layers and make sure that it stays pretty thick when you finish. So yeah, I just did a really slim layer for the first time, just to create a base for the plastic. This is pretty dry, so it's time for the second hand. So guys, I was just here waiting for the wheels to dry up, and I just decided to do something else. I'm gonna paint the calipers. So what color should I paint it? Chinita. Yeah, I said orange. I don't know where the orange is. Nope. Tampoco lo encuentro. No sé dónde está. El verde está ahí. So because I don't have red or orange, those were the colors I wanted to paint the calipers, but I have none of them. I don't know where are they. I gotta look for them first. There is no red or orange, but I want to paint them orange. Let me see if I can find it. Is it? Oh, baby. Yes, I found it. I've been with this color for about a couple of months, and I don't know. And I really couldn't notice them. You know, when you were from great distance, you know, you couldn't really notice the calipers. So I want a brighter color, just so they can be noticeable. That makes sense. So first of all, I'm going to clean the caliper off pretty nice, just because it's pretty dirty. I don't know if you can catch it, but right over here, it's pretty, you know, it's beat up already. I won't look at that. So yeah, I'm gonna stop talking and start working. We finally did it. We finished painting our first side of the car. Look at it, look at it. Let me see if you can see it. Yeah, I don't know if you can see it, but we finished the first part of the car. Now we're going to hop to the other side and practically do the same thing we did in this side. So I'm not gonna bore you with that in the video. So I'm just going to skip to the part where I just get the car out of the garage and show it to you guys. You can see the final form of the Forte Coupe. I can tell that you can do, ooh, yeah, that's the spot. Look at it. It looks pretty nice. So boys, it is time. This is a cold start on a straight pipe 2016 Kia Forte Coupe. Headphone users, beware. This has been sitting here for about 3 days, so this is about to be loud. guys, there you have it. That is the final look at the Forte. Man, I couldn't be happier, for real. The car just looks completely different. Look at that, bro. I just love it, man. I couldn't be happier, for real. This is going to be it for today, so see you in the next one, and never give up.